Before you decide to list your home for sale, look around and ask yourself if it needs a few improvements. When's the last time you replaced a carpet? And are you still living with that 70s wallpaper? Hey everyone, Juan Munoz here with HomeSmart Now Properties. To get the biggest bang for your buck, upgrading is usually specific to the property, but in a general sense, the top three are kitchen, bathrooms, and floors. Not only will it give you the best return, but it will make your house more sellable and get you top dollar. In Colorado, it can depend on the neighborhood you live in, and that's where my expertise comes in handy. I offer a free home renovation consultation and let you know what you need to be done and your home sold quickly and for top dollar. Of course, sometimes it backfires and my clients love the idea and decide to stay. It's almost like that HGTV show, Love It or List It. I don't know if you've seen it, but I love me some HGTV. The level of renovation depends on your intentions with the property. If you plan on staying for a while, then go for it. Go trendy, progressive, and modern. So when you are ready to sell it, it won't be outdated. If you're thinking of selling in the near future, then bring it down just a notch. Just update instead of upgrading. Keep it simple and affordable. The idea here is just to make it look new, clean, and ready to move in. Kitchen, bathrooms, and flooring renovations are the best bang for your buck, but it'll also depend on the area you live in. Don't hesitate to reach out to me because I love evaluating homes and then sharing my vision to get your home to its best state to enable you to really capitalize on the investment you made in buying that home in the first place. I look forward to hearing from you soon, and thank you for watching. Bye now.